I've heard there was a sacred chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight overthrew ya. And she tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throat, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Baby, I've been here before. I know this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the Marble Arch. Love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time when you let me know what's really going on below.
Now you never show that to me, do ya? And remember when I moved in you,
The holy dove was moving too, and every breath